the sun sinking low.
I will go next.
Recording is on.
Let's just get the part where she.
That's how the podcast works.
Rolling down the strip with the top peeled back.
So what are we doing here again?
You will be asked some questions, Karan.
Sure, shoot. Hi Shreya.
Hello. Bro, like I'm telling you, Blank 101 is literally. I'm so happy to be here. Like I love Blank 101. Especially I not have to skip my class to come here. And yeah, I love.
What's your go-to food when you're broke?
For me, Mekalo Tikki. So Mekalo Tikki, you know, it's affordable. It's close to. It's on the way of walking, and it's what allows me to get those Swiggy offers. So all set.
A month chocolate, 20 rupees one. I just eat it the whole day.
Munch Max?
Yeah.
15 rupees Maggie. I stay at home. Water is free in my house. Water is free. Gas comes once a month. So it's like Maggie.
I hope the water is filtered. Filter water?
Filter water.
Maggie.
Everyone has said that.
Because everyone has Maggie. It's Maggie
Maggie with ketchup or without ketchup?
with Szechuan. That's nice.
How do you start your day?
Wake up at 7:30 for my 8 o'clock class. Brush. Don't have breakfast. Run. Because AB5 is like in the next planet.
Wake up, scroll, and go back to sleep. That's pretty much how it goes.
Wake up. Okay. Wake up. Brush. Wapas so jao.
Is there any backache?
Backache. That is there before I sleep. You know, like I wake up without backache, but then I sleep with backache.
What's your biggest problem right now?
Midsims ka result. Midsims result, bro.
What's not my biggest problem is, I think, the better question. Biggest problem, trying to get a good night of sleep.
Placements definitely don't play a role in that.
I would hope so, but it's I'd be lying if I said it. I didn't. It's pretty good.
Attendance.
Biggest problem right now. How to convince myself to go to class and how to go to class and not get out from there.
Essentially,
Essentially.
75% attendance.
Yes, of course.
How much do you use your ID card?
I've never entered the library, so probably not much. And third year does not get you inside campus, so not really at all.
Just go to library once in a while, or I don't know where it is right now.
Virtually never. So only apparently library requires ID card nowadays. So that's the only time. But apart from that, I use it on a pretty regular basis.
I think fair enough to go to the library, to go in and out of campus. We have food. Oh, what is your favorite place to eat food in Manipur?
Belgium waffles. Excuse that.
How rich are you?
I'm not actually once a month.
I just think Belgian waffle is overrated.
It is.
No, I like Belgium waffles, but they're not in Manipal, in Bangalore. It's the same thing, but then me and my siblings have this thing. If my mom goes out, she gives us some money, and we always end up in waffle.
Like, don't you think it's a little too sweet?
And also,
It is. I agree.
No,
And the waffle having the
chocolate is never too much. There can never be too much chocolate. That is what I think.
So I have on record of saying this, right? Like a lot of my friends like go to hospital. I hate ice cream.
I hate you, Karan.
Yeah.
Karan, why do you
Adulting
make me
101,
hate you in
yeah.
every podcast?
This
ever?
is so adulting 101. Oh, for the record, we have 1 cold coffee and 3 garam pani because that is we're at that stage
on coffee so that I don't fail.
Yeah,
She's
we
the cool one.
thrive on coffee. I think another very important question that will give us a lot of it. How was mid-sense? We'll start from you.
Is this what adulting is? This is like being interrogated about your academics. That's good. My midterm went good.
Let's
Did
go.
Let's.
Would it be
Three
one of the
subjects
law?
went well. The other one, yeah, we don't want to talk about that.
I tell you, you have BAT, I have DS.
Oh yeah, I heard
That
about
is
that.
And we
so
all have
bad.
I'm so sorry.
And there's one EG. You are a CS student, right?
No.
We.
Mechatronics.
Megatronics, my guy!
Hey.
You're gonna suffer, let's
So
go!
I think all of you all have that drawing on EG. I'm very glad I'm a CS student. We had CAEG, which is essentially making everything on computer. I think that's the only time
Wait,
I've been grateful that I'm a CS
let me
student.
make X to make X. Do you like easy?
No. But now it's going to turn to CA for us.
Yeah,
So,
in a while.
See, let me just.
It's going to start
Don't
from
you
this
think
week.
mechatronics is in like an odd spot kind of thing? It's mechanical, there's electrical.
Don't I know it?
Like
No,
nobody
you
comes
get
for-
one subject. This year we have some subject called as electric drives. Electric is supposed to be electrical, drives is supposed to be mechanical. So imagine having both of them together. And I'm like, I thought I knew electronics. And I was fine with mechanical. Now it is like, I don't know both. Please leave me alone.
I don't like either of them. I don't like electrical.
That is why
I
you're
don't
in
like
CS.
mechanical.
That is why you're in CS.
Yeah.
I think after experiencing BT and B, nobody wants
Nobody wants to.
That's the reason they call Triple E a 5 year.
So can I get? I'll probably get a lot of hate for this, but I like DET. It was one of my favorite subjects.
Now I'll get a No.
To be really honest, I would put it on top.
Like in BT,
You would. The first was bio and chem or something. Which are the first two?
PSUC.
Oh, dude, I'm top of a PhD.
I got a C in PS.
I got 29
I'm
and a
a
half in
CSE
it.
student. I got a C.
Arching.
wow,
Okay.
really
Good one, good one.
Okay, so all of that being said, I think we were very into the branch thing right now. Coming back to Adulting 101, we put out a questionnaire on Blank's Instagram. Follow Blank,
Yeah, please do it.
yes, on Instagram at Blank Follow. So yeah, it is.
Best club.
So, we put out 2 questions and we have got a lot of funny answers. And we're gonna read it out.
Sure.
Okay?
Wait. Can we all like read out?
Yeah, we
Okay.
are. I am trying to distribute this.
No. You need to wait for the genuine reaction.
Okay. Okay, so let's start with the first question. What's your I am officially old moment? The first one I think is from the bottom of my heart. Nobody asks me to have breakfast. I can think of my mom running around behind breakfast, eat. You've woken up at 10:30. Is this the time to wake up? Have breakfast. It rings.
Really? I mean, I don't remember the last time I had breakfast.
Yeah, it doesn't become like, it just goes away from the normal life. You just have to stick to 2 meals a day.
It's just,
That's how it
I
is.
wake up at 8, 9 o'clock class है. हाँ ठीक है आधा घंटा extra
I've
सो
been
लेंगे.
there. My mom only calls me to ask if I had breakfast, if I had lunch, if I had dinner. I'm like, I had everything.
You get calls
Sorry,
on,
Mom.
you get
You had
calls
nothing.
3 times a
I
day.
had absolutely nothing.
Wait, you get
I
calls.
had a
3
month
times.
chocolate of 20 the entire day.
I'm most not going to get calls 3 times a day.
Once for asking for if I had dinner.
Oh,
Acha,
so it's like
रात
after
को she'll
eating
call
all
you
the
at
time.
okay, I thought it's like mom is calling
Did
at
you
10.
eat
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Okay. I was like,
I
I got
got
concerned.
Yeah.
My parents expect me to call every day at least once. But then I think I'm managing to call once every 2 weeks.
That's still pretty good. Like, I mean, as long as
Then I've seen you go on video calls with your dad saying,
Yeah.
Nana, please.
Yeah, it's, yeah. I mean, they make an effort to do it and I try to like respect that.
Yeah.
Okay, the second one. When I realized my sole reason for not going on a picnic is back pain. Back pain, sore
was in block 19 my first year. From block 19, I'm literally on the other end.
Wait, where is block?
So block 19 is behind block 16.
Oh, even further. Oh, where have been? Oh my god.
I just have a lot of respect for anyone who lives down there because oh my god, that is hell. Oh, I wrote this one. The first years call me Didi and I call them kids. So essentially when we were recruiting from Blank, I was like, oh another kid came. Oh I like this kid.
I know
that
that
kid.
Like I tell people saying, okay, I had to shoot podcast or I have to be with this. I'm like, kids came home and they're like, किसके बच्चे? कौन से बच्चे? I'm like,
We are the
मेरे
kids.
बच्चे. These are my kids. Yes, you are a kid.
Yeah,
You're a baby.
Yeah.
He's a kid.
Teenager and
He's uncle.
I'm the
Yeah.
uncle.
He's
I'm a
uncle. He's there. He's the
And
fool.
when you're in fourth year, you just never end up going to SP for everybody just staying outside. And when there are so many first years. I just keep telling this to my friend, right? In first year, you should wonder why did the seniors hate us? Like, none of the seniors like tolerate us and like, we're not that bad. But
Right
then
now
when
you
I
can't help but hate
yeah,
it.
but then when I see the first years, like anyone right now, I'm just like, do you think this campus is yours? You also have a place in it.
Yeah.
So it just feels you know that it's hard when you're like never gone to SP and then like you just see a whole lot of kids like this come next to homes and ops and just like have samosa because that's what we used to do and now we don't. So it feels bad.
It doesn't like when they intrude on our place.
Space,
Yeah. Alright. I had to fill up my internship form and say I'm eligible to work. Dude, this is so relatable.
I feel very sad. I don't want to work. I don't want.
Like I have tabs in my laptop open with saying internship, you have to fill this form, but then I'm just like, नहीं यार कल करेंगे. And that is how I don't have any internship.
कल कभी नहीं आएगा.
Exactly.
You know you're desperate when you like you know those messages that you see CGPA increment and like you know international internship on your groups. You know you're desperate when you like actually like open up one of those forms. Because like usually those forms like it's a paid internship, right?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you're just so desperate for like you know
An
you want to
internship.
for an internship that you just open the one of those forms. You know like that's when adulting has to.
Guys, adulting is not that depressing. Let us not.
It is not okay. Next one is pretty
Give the
good
fun
fun.
part of it.
When I got excited for buying a new mop. Have I? I mean, I am someone who get excited. Not for mop and I'm not so into cleaning. But then when I moved into the house I have right now, I'm like, oh my god, this kitchen! I forget my bed, whatever. I'm just like, I'm in love with this kitchen. I want to stay here. And,
One eternity later.
Oh, that is.
Okay. I think we've covered a lot of. No, again. Okay. So I think this is one aspect that I'm very excited about for next year. Moving out. How is
once
moving
again, did you
out?
get permission? Parents.
Yeah, we'll talk about that later. How is moving out?
I have mixed feelings about it. So you know first.
You know, people have mixed feelings in relationships and you're stuck on mixed feelings about moving out.
Yeah, I'd explain why I'm alone.
Ah.
So, first week of me moving out, probably the worst week of my life. So, I'll walk you guys through this. So, we moved, so it's me and 3 other guys. So, it's a 3 BHK. 2 guys staying in one room. I have my own. That's all fine. The big problem comes when the landlord is not a pleasant person. So, first day I go in, you know, it's pouring rain. I have like 4 suitcases and come in. The entire place is trash. It's just like cobwebs everywhere, no water, no. By the way, there was no backup power for the first week. So and like we used to have a lot of power cuts. So I stay here in my apartment. Just a walk from there. So first week. So one day I just come back home. There's no power for the entire day. Then I learned that like apparently the power is going to come back at like in the night. And unfortunately, our water filter works on electricity. Yeah. So essentially, we stayed an entire day without water.
and hopes are just
Yeah.
coming to it.
From a
You could have just bought a water bottle.
We want that. We expected that the current would come back, and then we had come back already, and we were too lazy to go out.
Okay, wait. See, I'll tell you. I thought my RO was not working because we did not realize that there was a switchboard behind the fridge, so we couldn't turn it on. So for the first week, we thought the RO was not working, so we kept buying water. And I bought like 5-liter cans and used it.
That's smart. I should probably think about that.
And you're 4 guys.
Yeah, 4 guys. So that was an experience. We've learned a lot since then.
I think whenever they say buying water, it's just कितना पैसा खर्चा हो रहा है. In my head, buying water is a waste of money. I cannot get myself to buy net or buy water.
Oh, you want to move out, no? Get used to using your hotspot. I open my phone, I scroll down. First thing my brain used to go was to Bluetooth, connect my app. Right now it goes to a hotspot. I turn on hotspot and I have to connect my earphones. That is how used to I am with hotspot, because I'm like hotspot lagao, TV lagao, hotspot laptop, hotspot friends. And all my labs want me to take my laptop with them, so they are also hotspots. So it's like hotspot.
Even most of the people in blog fiction, they just use hotspot. They don't use the internet.
Yeah.
No, please use
It
iBus.
isn't that bad.
Yeah.
No,
You
if I was, we don't get.
I used to be in Block 22 and I used to use a lot of apps I've never used.
We did not get network. Now that we complained about it, it got fixed. So that's good.
Okay, that's good. MIT.
Yeah,
MIT is growing.
It's
Yeah.
good like that. But you have to complain, guys. So when I moved into my new hostel, okay, it's in 13. We walked in, the shower, the thing is not working, the cupboard is not closing, and there was so much mold in the hostel. Like touch wood, not in my room, but oh my god, when you go down block 13,
Yeah. The
you
ground floor
cannot
and the minus
breathe.
one.
You genuinely cannot breathe.
I mean that's a problem anywhere you go, right? But like I understand like how traumatizing it is to just like go and just see how dirty the place is. But then eventually you just get used to it.
You will
And
get
then
it.
you just live with the mold.
In my blog, first time when we went in, the AC was not working. So they came and fixed it. 1 week later, repair again. It went on 3 weeks like that. And the 4th week, they're like, the entire AC compartment is gone. We have to get a new one. So 1 week, they're also finished. And once we get the AC, me and my roommate was sick. So we never used it for 1 month.
Oh.
We did not use anything for 2 months.
That is such a sad thing. But then I guess now Manipal has started getting a little hot, but till now I think you could have survived without it.
Yeah.
You know, hot take. I think having an AC room in odd semesters is actually like not that much.
True. I've had an AC room,
The
but
first week I came here, I was actually feeling very cold.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah?
It was super cold.
Please,
I
I come from
switch off the
Bangalore.
fan
I
also.
come from Bangalore as well. Like,
Karan, you're big different, Karan. You've gotten cold. You've gotten old. Buy jackets,
Another
Karan.
testament apart from the hot water.
apart from the
No
hot water,
fan, no AC.
No fan, no AC.
You know, young people enjoy cold showers. And
Who is young people? I want to know. Who is young? Why you enjoy cold shower? You'll enjoy cold shower. We need to change our camera. We will change our camera. Why you like cold shower?
sometimes, like if you've just walked out from a swimming pool and then it's a cold
Ah,
shower.
that is different. No?
Relatively hot is still fine.
And the thing is that getting into the pool is really tough, but then getting out of the pool is tougher because you
Yeah.
guys
Yeah, you go
How was you moving from your home? I'm assuming you didn't live in a hostel before, like where I live.
No.
Yeah, so how was it, the transition from very nice home with a mummy in it to hostel?
With a mummy in it, oh god.
I just miss my mom dad so much. Mom, dad, I love you. I miss you. Come meet me, please.
This podcast has just demonized parents.
You know, my mom came home like 2 days back. Not 2 days, like yesterday. And she came to my house, to my flat for like 1.5 hours. And as soon as she entered, she's like, have you prepared anything for the night? I was like, no. She's like, okay, let me cook for you. I'm like, oh, you're here only for an hour. And then she's like, ये लेके आ, मैं बना के रखूँगी. I'm like, done.
That's true. How was
Answering
it?
your question, my mom used to wake me up in the morning. So for the first few classes, my alarm rang. I'm like, nah. And that's what I ordered. Most of the time, I skip breakfast. Sometimes I'm lazy to go until I'm seated from class whenever. I skip lunch also. But we had a light on this. Sorry. Full.
You know, one very enriching experience for me was so I'm actually pretty spoiled as a child. I've been dropped from school, come home to school and school to
Yeah,
home
yeah.
all my life. You know, by my grandfather, dropping my car, or all throughout my school life. One time I had to come back home for like some event. So that was my first time taking a sleeper bus. First time. I think like I've traveled by a bus before, Manipal, a handful, maybe like 2 or 3 times.
What do you travel?
Yeah, I will take auto. Usually
You
when
don't
travel.
sleeper bus.
Oh yeah, so no, I was just getting to that. So,
Okay.
No, by normal bus, like within the city, maybe 2 to 3 times.
Okay.
That's all.
City,
So first time I took a sleeper bus, I didn't know how the booking system works, like having a double seater or a single seater. Double seater was like, you know, big on bed. I thought like nobody else will book. So I just like booked that, right? I go there. So I'm scared, like just to stay by myself and come back. This random dude who just comes next to me. And he's just like, hi, आप कैसे हो? I'm like, were you? Like, हाँ मैंने भी यही book किया था. Like, how did you go? Apparently, like the double seater requires 2 people.
Two people, yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah,
So
sorry.
I didn't know that. So then the guy he was just telling me like he was working in Canada Mall and then now he's going to Bangalore to get a better job. And then the entire night I was just shocked because we had to share a bed sheet. Yeah, that was scary. And then the thing is, there was a lighter.
Did you have any moments?
Let's
not go there.
I just wanted the night to get over.
I think we can just make a compilation of Karan and his stories.
So the scariest part, right? I just found a lighter. You know, the typical cigarette lighter on the bed. I just like found it, and the guy like looked at me and like, मुझे दे सकते हैं? I was a bit hesitant to like give it to him because I was just scared like will he light me on fire? Right? Like it was like working, and the thing is he switched it on like in front of me, and I was just scared like trying to turn away. I was like, is he going to light me over or something? Luckily he didn't. He just like kept playing with the lighter for the entire journey.
How old was this person?
I never played with a lighter. Do you guys not play with lighter?
Not when you're like traveling in a
Why
bus
do you
and
have a lighter?
But I do play with
I don't have a lighter, but then my dad does, and all I do, I love lighters. Like I'll press it out. Wow, it's
Yeah,
great.
that's so cool.
we are like
Am I a psycho?
No. I do that too. Is it some mechatronics thing?
Let's go, Megan.
I don't know if this can go up in the video or not, but I have a very cool story with the lighter. So essentially, when you have a perfume, no, not a perfume, a deo.
Oh, yeah.
A deo.
Lighter.
Okay, we were, so this was my first year, okay, this is like in the middle of incense, like last May, in the middle of incense, we need to study because we are cooked and none of us want to study, okay, and I lived in a triple sharing and there was this other girl, the fourth girl, who essentially lived with us. So uska bistar used to be in our room ka floor.
Oh, there's always the unofficial.
Yeah, this is unofficial roommate. We literally have a what's a 213 4 occupancy. Yeah, it's a 4 occupancy room. So essentially we have to study. We're cooked. But none of us want to study because like obviously why to study? What is the need? We are playing with that lighter, okay? And we're shit scared because in block 13 everything is wooden. The door is wooden, the bed is wood, right? So we're scared, but we still want to do it. And I think I have a video of it, of us trying to do it, it's not happening. So because we're scared. a girl was going. She got so scared, and then so 30 seconds later she just dropped. Is everything okay? Do you need help? Should I call the ward? I'm like, don't call the ward. Please don't call the ward.
We've
I
done
think
the
we can
same.
manage this by ourselves.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're good. Little accident, we're good.
Yeah, what's the worst that can happen?
Yeah, nothing, we're good.
We've done the same thing with sanitizer. The sanitizer
Oh,
of
yeah.
Anything that contains alcohol, it happens. Yeah.
I'll go and do that today.
Don't put it on your hands.
But yeah, I think
Okay,
college
Mom.
life just has college life always has a flair, right? Like I really loved my first, so I had a very good memory of my first sem where we had pigeon like came into our hostel and we were all like very passionate.
Did you get petted?
Yeah, like it was actually injured, right? We named it Gilgamesh. We named it Gilgamesh. He was injured, and I think he was like he couldn't like fly out. So we took care of him for like 2-3 days. Fortunately, he passed away. And then, what? Unfortunate. Come on, man.
I heard it unfortunately.
Unfortunate. So what we did essentially was we made a poster inviting everyone for the funeral. He's buried like next to block 19. And then no, the part before is we put him in a shoebox as our like that was a coffin. And then we went to like the entire hostel doing that, you know the like you know that song.
Yeah.
And then we just marched like all throughout the room.
How much? How many people came?
I think like around 15-20 people. We just like kept it on our shoulder and then we
Can we
just
do
like,
the-
it was the best experience
So-
ever.
And there is like a small dog in that area when you enter Temple Run.
Yeah.
And then dog recently had babies and one was like shivering. So me and my friends, we just took it, went to FC, filled some milk and came back. Now the same story is repeating again. So they created a group for saving dogs. Yeah, they actually, and then there are like 16 people in it and everyone is going and then looking at the dog and taking care of it and coming back. So there are,
It's like the infamous cats.
yeah.
Every time someone puts, guys, please DM to like take care of this cat.
Yeah.
I think in my first year we had a Dharampal. It was essentially a dog in SP and it has an Instagram page. It's a very popular thing. Go follow it. Yeah, it was very cute. Like, it's so cute.
We get it, Gautam,
yeah,
we get it.
It's so cute.
I feel as long as like if you want to like attract people, you just say there's a dog and then you can get like
Oh yeah,
guaranteed.
definitely.
That is Blank 101 ka motive, you know. We advertise to dogs, but then we advertise to
Oh
people.
yeah, we do that. That's our very important aspect of our
Publicity. It's like how you do puja to Ganesh first before anything else. We advertise to dogs.
Dogo, please come.
Okay. In the initial days, I used to get quality packet and feed to dogs every day. So I used to
Are
go
there
to my
like
friends.
no feeding zones among you?
No, we go to the feeding zone.
Okay.
I don't think anybody cares about it.
Yeah, we do.
To
Actually, I'm not
start
an animal
conversations.
person.
To start conversations, especially with girls. Hey, do you know I feed quality to dogs every day?
We all know what the true intentions are.
Good guy.
Should
No,
I
but
be-
I'd be impressed. I would be very
And
impressed
then
with someone.
getting them to walk until the dog, see the dog, so create a conversation until then and then come back. That's the master plan, guys.
Yeah, that's a good one. It works.
It works, it works.
It works. Because it has worked.
Do we have to contact?
No. We're good.
We're good.
Mummy, all good. I think we started on a very depressing note, starting with placements, but we came to a very cute. Yeah, it's no, never again, guys. Never again. We're not depressing. And then we talked about how I think we started off with placements. I think we talked about our hostel situation. We talked about Maggie and coffee. I repeat, very important. Stock up. And I think adulting is a topic that can never be completely covered. We can sit here for hours and hours and hours together and talk about it. It's a never-ending conversation. But then again, I think this is a good note to leave the conversation and to end the conversation. So thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for including us in a
Thank you so
podcast
much.
again.
I think it was I think adulting is so wholesome because it's just a huge community who's just trying to figure their way out in life, figure their way out of their home into the world. So I think it's a very good note. Thank you
It's
so
like
much.
wanting to figure out world, like, as though I've figured out the world.
Figuring out in process. It's a process. Trust the process. Yeah, I think that's the only
That's the
motto.
biggest lie. Don't trust the process. All you'll lead to is depression.
Do you have a better idea?
I'd say eat ice cream.
Have hot water and eat ice cream.
Have hot water.
No, eat ice cream. उसके बाद have
Stay hydrated.
Yeah.